Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel, and this week I show you how I made these DIY rock climbing training holds. Glamour shots from the get. So I started out with a 2-inch dowel from the home center, the largest size they make, and I picked a size so that when I grip it there's just about 2 or 3 inches extra, and I cut it down to length. Nothing to it. I roughly marked the center by eyeballing 2 perpendicular lines and started drilling out pilot holes. As you'll see later, you don't need a ton of thread, so a pilot hole just a little bit bigger than the shaft is fine. The wooden balls are just birch spheres. I bought gosh, that's hard to say. Birch spheres I bought off of Amazon, and again, just drilling the pilot hole. And I picked a little bit bigger pilot hole for these since they are hardwood. I added a 1/2 inch round over at the router table. This is a little sketchy, so if you don't feel comfortable doing it, don't do it, and you can just sand it by hand to give a round over. Then here we go with sanding. I think I went to 180 grit, clean off with some mineral spirits, and here we go with a couple coats of lacquer. Let us spray. Little shout out to John Malecki right there. And then I'm using the Steve Ramsey method for getting a polish on this lacquer finish. But it almost worked too good. They came out slicker than I wanted to as far as using them for rock climbing training, just FYI. And then screwing in the screw eyes by hand, just using an extra long bolt. Definitely going to need your grip strength for this one. All right, well, that's it. I got these 4 for myself. I ended up adding a 3/8 inch quick link from Home Depot just so I could reach them to the balls.